Fox 17 News on air and streaming until 7 p.m.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Doug Reardon.
And I'm Janice Allen. Salon owners are asking the state for more guidance about how and when they can safely reopen.
As of right now, salons and similar services aren't listed in the governor's My Safe Start plan. Our Andy Stowski joins us live from Grand Rapids after talking to one salon owner, Andy, who's just asking to be part of that discussion.
Yeah, Doug and Janice, that is all that they are asking. We are at Chasing Vanity in downtown Grand Rapids, and I spoke to the owners, and they say they, like so many small businesses, do have plans to safely reopen. The problem is they don't know if those plans will meet the state's guidelines simply because they haven't gotten any.
I have sent out thousands of emails, and I'm just trying to get somebody to take me serious.
But so far, Elizabeth Bartram feels as if she's spinning her wheels.
There are thousands of salons in Michigan alone. To just overlook that industry altogether it's just not okay.
Bartram owns Chasing Vanity Salon in downtown Grand Rapids. She, along with about 50 other salon owners in the private Grand Rapids Beauty Society Facebook group, have been putting their heads together to come up with their own reopening plans.
Just really taking our environment into our own hands so that we can control the sanitization. Also putting up partitions in between our shampoo bowls, making sure our team is wearing masks and face shields.
Right now, the state has not listed salons in any of their reopening phases.
If it's not safe to open, I understand, just tell me that. Like, hey, if you tell me July 15th, at least it's a plan.
Bartram says they can plan all they want, but without a roadmap, they don't know if they'll meet the state's standards once they get the green light.
It's hard when you're not open and not bringing in an income to be pouring thousands of dollars into something, who knows, maybe it's not effective.
Not to mention, gathering PPE hasn't been the easiest.
These things take time. I ordered masks, and there's an 8-week lag on some of these things. And you certainly don't want to take away anything from healthcare workers.
While keeping her employees and customers safe is the top priority, she says it's not the only one.
There's only so long a business cannot be open before you have to make that decision. Can you come back from this?
Just this week, the James Salon announced they'll have to close their original location in East Grand Rapids.
We're all grieving the loss of that. We're happy to have had those experiences, but we're fortunately all moving forward.
Owner James Garnett says thankfully they'll be keeping all their staff and merging with their Ada location, but echoes Bartram's frustrations.
Gretch, we love you, girl, but you gotta reach out to us and throw us some love and give us some guidance on what we can do or just what that looks like for us or what phase. Just give us something that we know what this is going to look like.
Bartram hopes by speaking up, they'll get the answers they need so they can get back to doing what they love.
Even if it's a small business, it's still a business. To be left out of the conversation is insulting. I run $1 million business. I care about the local community. I give 35 people jobs. In turn, they take care of their clients and put money back into this community.
Now, we did reach out to the Kent County Health Department this week, and they said they are currently working on some guidelines for places like salons and other beauty industries to safely open back up. They don't have those yet, but we're hoping to get that by the end of this week. Meantime, Bartram says that in that Facebook group, she's really thankful for that community. They've actually been able to buy PPE in bulk and then share that. So she says that is a fantastic resource for them. Live in Grand Rapids, Andy Satowski, Fox 17 News.
Thank you for that, Anna. I know a lot of us here at the station are very much looking
haircut,
forward
yeah.
to getting a professional haircut. A lot of people have tried the do-it-yourself route when it comes to doing it, but that always is met with a bit of mixed result, if you can call it that.